Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share some interesting facts about our Indian scientist J.C.B. Let's explore his amazing contribution. Jagadish Chandra Bhattacharya, also known as J.C. Bhattacharya (JCB), our Indian professor and well known for his contribution in the experiment in astrophysics, and he was the director of Indian Institute of Astrophysics since 1982. He was born in the year 1930 at Kolkata and died in the year 2012 at New Delhi. He obtained his master's degree in electronics Kolkata University in the year 1951 and spent a year working on instrumentation with S.K. Mitra at the Institute of Radiophysics and Electronics before joining the Indian Meteorological Department in 1953. He worked in the radar laboratory of the IMD for a year at Delhi and then spent several years at Instrumentation Division in Pune. During this time, he worked in the area of ionospheric physics and developed instruments for these studies. He was transferred to the Astrophysical Observatory in Kodaikanal in July 1964 to lead the ionospheric research group influenced by Babu, director of the observatory. JCB took a research in the area of solar and solar system astronomy. He built the instrument he needed, specifically the solar magnetograph, which is used in research at Doctor of Philosophy from the Calcutta University in the year 1971. Ganymede, also called Jupiter's icy moon, the largest moon of Jupiter's satellite, and of all the satellites in the solar system, it's one of the Galilean moon. Galilean moon. It was discovered by the Italian astronomer Galileo in 1610. It was probably also discovered independently the same year by German astronomer Simon. Was named after Ganymede. Its diameter is about 5,270 km and in around 3,275 miles, which makes it larger than the planet Mercury. It's the largest solar object which has an atmosphere despite being the only moon in the solar system which has its own magnetic field and its gravity is around 1.428 meter per second square. Let's move on to the next. It's the ring of the Uranus. In 1977, he discovered through the lunar occultation technique an extended ring system around Uranus. An out research activity held at IIA, he was naturally inclined and added at explaining the wonders of astronomy to the lay public. Those started writing popular articles as far back as after the discovery of the uranium ring system. Then 234 centimeter Vainu Bapu telescope. This is the picture of that telescope. He took this project and successfully completed in 1986. It's one of the biggest optical telescope at that time of Asia. 1.3 meter telescope was installed in VBT. It was named after the ex-director of 2nd A, Professor J.C.B. He was the editor of Astrophysics and Astronomy, published by the Indian Academy of Science, and then year 1988 to 1999. And this was the picture of that book. He served as president of Astronomical Society of India during 1986 to 88. He received several awards. Notable among them are the UGC Hari Om Ashram Trust Sir V. Raman Award for Physical Sciences in 1990 and the S.K. Mitra Birth Century Award of the Indian Science Congress Association in 2005. At the end of August 1990, JCB retired from service of the institute. He was associated with IIA thereafter as emeritus professor and honorary professor till 1997. After this, he served on the governing council till 2007. This was the picture taken at the library. With his passing away, India has lost one of its founding fathers of modern experimental optical astronomy and an exemplary head of scientific organization. Thank you.